postman came. Let's unbox. Hi friends. Oh my goodness, today the postman came and brought my monthly Optavia box with all my feelings. I'm so excited. This is the second time that I've ordered because I'm just starting this journey. I'll fill you in on that in just a little bit, but I just wanted to say I'm so stoked to get my hands on these goodies that I haven't tried, to get them in my belly. If you didn't know, I'm on the Optavia 5-in-1 health plan. It's really great. You get 5 of these little meals called fuelings in your monthly subscription box, and then you make one meal, which they call a lean and green, each day. So you eat 6 meals total. 5 of these prepackaged fuelings, and 1 is a lean and green, which we'll talk about in another video. But let's get started and see which fuelings we got. So simple. I love this health plan because we're so busy and we're always on the run, working all the time. These fuelings have been a lifesaver. It takes all of the thinking work into what you're going to eat each day, and it just simplifies it. It basically is a handhold of, here, your alarm goes off, time to eat. I love it. You time it out between 2 and 3 hours, and so you're eating a total of 6 meals. And with our lives being so busy, this has really been a time saver for me, and they're so delicious. It doesn't taste bad. Everything is so divine. And you know, if you're on a diet or you're trying to change your lifestyle and be more healthy, sometimes you get a lot of cravings. And honestly, these fuelings have made they've taken the guesswork out of it all. There are some sweet things, some savory things, chewy things, non-chewy things. So you really do get a wide variety of options. Now, in my box, I'm so excited to tell you, I got a bunch of new things that I haven't tried. This is my second month on this plan, and I've been super fortunate. I have lost a lot of weight in the first month. In my first month, I lost 20 pounds. That is probably not gonna be like that for everybody because we're all different, our bodies are different. Honestly, it's just been a lifesaver for me because I have a lot less pain. I have a lot less inflammation. I am feeling happier. I'm being able to move more where my joints would hurt a lot. I'm able to take less painkillers in a day. And for anyone that has that is in chronic pain, I mean, wow, I'm so lucky. I'm so blessed. Oh my gosh. Just super grateful for this. And the team of people, the community, honestly, who have been on this journey and who have been motivating me and supporting me. My goodness, I cannot thank them enough. It's just a big, big blessing. Okay, let's get into what's in my box. Okay, first off, I take thyroid meds. So my first meal of the day is soy-free. The great thing about Optavia is no matter what you're on, if you're a breastfeeding mom, if you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to gain weight, if you're trying to bulk up, whatever it is, there's a plan for you. They have 14 plans. I mean, which company has that? That's amazing. So anyway, moving off topic, let's get back to what's in the box. So because my first meals are always soy-free, I got, where is it? This is my favorite, the Velvety Hot Chocolate Drink Mix. It literally tastes like hot chocolate. So yummy, so comforting. In the morning, it's amazing. Who doesn't want hot chocolate for breakfast? But that's just me. I'm really happy about it. I love it. I also ordered the frothy cappuccino drink mix. I haven't tried it, but I'm sure it will be just as delicious. I'll let you guys know how that one tastes. 2 other soy-free options if you have a soy allergy or whatever it is, just so you know. I got these just as a backup in case I don't really want to have the hot chocolate, although I've been loving it. Roasted garlic mashed potatoes. Here they are. And sour cream and chive mashed potatoes. So I've tried the garlic ones before and they are amazing. So fluffy and soft and just melt in your mouth, delicious. And I'm really excited to try the sour cream and chive ones. So I have also tried to put them, like to change the texture. Sometimes I want a little bit more crunch. I have tried to put them in a Dash waffle maker. And they actually turned out really delicious. So highly recommend if you need a change of pace, if you're not into like the soft, fluffy mashed potatoes, put them in the waffle maker, and if you chop it up, it actually tastes like French fries. So options, you can get creative with it. I love it. Lots and lots of things you can do with your fuelings. A huge hit that everyone has been telling me to try are the golden chocolate chip pancakes. Apparently they are fluffy and delicious. I'm so stoked to try these, and I'll let you guys know how it is. If you've tried them, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, when you think of a diet, often you think of shakes because we all need to get our protein in, right? Let me tell you, these shakes are not delicious. They are beyond any shakes I've tried. The wild strawberry tastes like Nesquik, strawberry Nesquik. If you grew up like me having strawberry Nesquik, please do yourself a favor and get the strawberry one. It is so delicious, and it just gives me that like feel of home. My childhood whenever I drink it. The creamy vanilla one is really delicious too. If you've been to Chick-fil-A and you've had their version of ice cream, I can't remember what they call it, but they have like a special name for it. This is what it tastes like. It is so delicious. And I mean, with vanilla, it's so simple. You can add anything to it. You can like really get creative if you don't want just the vanilla flavor. But trust me, you will love just having the vanilla flavor. So try it. Let me know what you think. I also got the chocolate one. Also very delicious. Sometimes the chocolate shakes that I've tried in the past have been like, they have like a little bit, I don't want to say like plastic aftertaste, but like you can taste it's not like chocolatey. It's more, I don't know how to explain, like a little bit processed. Maybe that's a nicer way of saying things. This one literally just tastes like milk, chocolate milk. You can also add almond milk if you want it, blend it up. You can add ice, put it in your blender. Lots and lots of options. I tried the chocolate shake, and I just added a scoop of instant coffee. Jacobs, for my South Africans out there. A scoop of Jacobs coffee in this. Divine. You will love it. Now, if you are a person who is always on the go and doesn't always have time like me, bars are a staple. Shakes and bars, easy go-to, grab and go. They have, Optavia has a bunch of different bars. So in my last box, I've tried, there's a peanut butter one. I'm not a peanut butter person, to be honest, but that bar was so crunchy and delicious. I actually really enjoyed it. They have a chocolate drizzle chocolate one. There's a caramel one that actually has like a slab of caramel on top of the crunchy bits. Divine. Put it in the microwave for 15 seconds and you like, as you pull it apart, to die for. Amazing. Highly recommend doing that. But my favorite of all the bars that I've tried so far is the chocolate mint bar. Mint to me, we have like a love-hate relationship because sometimes it can just taste like a little off. But when I opened the wrapper, I smelt like the mint arrow. I smelled mint arrow and I was like, oh my gosh, this has to be delicious if it smells like a mint arrow. And truth, Bob, it is delicious. That is my #1 bar. Highly recommend if you love like mint chocolates. The chocolate mint bar is a go-to for sure. Also, this time I ordered the peanut butter and chocolate chip bar. It looks more gooey. It doesn't look very crunchy. It looks pretty gooey. It's got its little chocolate chips, and then the base of it is chocolate. So again, not being a very big peanut butter person, I'm anxious to try it, but I'm also like a little excited because, I mean, it just looks so divine, doesn't it? I'll let you guys know what I think. Also, to grab on the go, which have been amazing, and I think of all the Fuelings that I've ever tried, not that I've been on this for too long, but of all the Fuelings I've tried, the smoky barbecue crunchers, hands down, are my favorite. They are super crunchy. They just taste like barbecue chips. If you're a chip person, definitely get your hands on these. So delicious. These ones are the zesty cheddar and Italian herb crunchers. I haven't tried these yet, but I'm excited to try. Apparently, they also taste really good. So I'll let you know my thoughts on this one, but highly, highly, highly recommend your smoky barbecue crunchers. Get them. The other kind of like crunchy grab on the go little bags or packets, there are two. They come in what they call sticks, and this is honey mustard and onion stick. There you can see a picture of them. Really yummy. If you like honey mustard flavor, definitely get them. Their texture is a little bit more dense, like a breadstick vibe. So if that's what you like, I'm sure you'll like those. And they also come in cinnamon sugar. So the cinnamon sugar sticks, I mean, I grew up having tea time. These sticks with my tea, I love it. I feel like it's my little moment of me time. Takes like 10 minutes. So happy. Have my tea, have my cinnamon sugar sticks. It just like brightens up your day. It's like your little bit of happiness, your little moment of just being. Really enjoy those. Now, if you like savory things, there's a wide variety of options to choose from. You could get like tomato penne pastas. There's mac and cheese for those of you who love mac and cheese. There's chicken noodle soup. Highly recommend. Divine. Definitely get that one. That was in my previous box. So this time I got the wild rice and chicken flavored soup mix. We are still in winter, transitioning into spring, but we've had such crazy cold weather. So I really enjoyed the other chicken noodle soup. So I thought, why not give this one a try? I'll let you guys know what I think. If you've tried it, please let me know. If you have any like recommendations on things, I'm all ears. Now, here comes the serious part. When you're on a diet, and this to me is not a diet, this is a lifestyle change. I am changing my health forever. I'm not going back. I'm not doing anything other than seeing the future. I want to live a long time. I don't have a need or a will to not be the best version of myself. So I really do want to live long, live happy, live healthily, and just be the best version of me. So I'm not considering this a diet, but if you think back to if you've been on diets before, you normally cut out like all your sugars, which means chocolate, right? For me, I love chocolate. I mean, I'm wearing chocolate color right now. I love chocolate. And the best thing about this Optavia 5-in-1 plan is that I get to eat chocolate every single day in different forms. So here we have the chocolate fudge pudding mix. This to me tastes just like regular, like if you make instant pudding, but creamier, yummier, all the herbs, so delicious. I love it. What I would recommend if you are a Reese's Pieces, maybe I'm saying it wrong, Reese's Pieces person, excuse me, not from America, but you guys know what I mean. If you like that, I would recommend mixing this up, put it in your fridge for like 5-10 minutes, then get your PB2 because that counts as an optional snack. So mix your PB2 powder with just, I think it's like 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of PB2 mix it on up, add it on top of your chocolate fudge pudding, put it back in the fridge for like another 10-15 minutes. When you take it out and you like use your spoon to like bite in, like take a bite, oh my gosh, it tastes like Reese's Pieces. Seriously, recommend. If you don't want the peanut butter, don't have it. On its own, super, super duper delicious. Get it. The other thing that I have fallen ultimately in love with is the decadent chocolate brownie mix with Greek yogurt chips. I feel like I can have like a love affair with this one. It is so divine. So simple to make. You're just adding water, mixing it up. If you're like me when you were little and you would like lick the bowl when your mom was making cake or whatever, you can eat this just as is, like the batter, but you don't have to. But that's kind of the vibe you feel when you're making it. So I also put this one in the Dash waffle maker instead of putting it in the microwave just because I like it like that better. I've tried it before where I just mix it up, pop it into the microwave for like 10-15 seconds just so that the chips melt, and that is also divine. So options, you guys, lots of options. And then finally, the last fueling in my box is the chewy chocolate chip cookie mix. Okay, who doesn't love chocolate chip cookies? If you don't, you will love these. If you do, you will thank me for showing you these. Get them, they are so good. You can make them as crunchy as you want, or you can make them a little bit more moist, like a Chips Ahoy vibe. Honestly, you can go crazy with this, or you can eat the batter just as is. I have a friend who rolls them and puts the batter in the freezer and then just eats the batter once they're cold. So you can get creative. To come, I'm probably gonna have a couple of my favorite hacks for these fuelings, but honestly, you don't need hacks. These are so delicious just as they are. You don't need to add anything extra. If you want to, go for it. But honestly, I'm just so grateful I found this. It is so delicious. I'm so excited to try all the yummies, get them in my tummy, see how my life change is going. So if you guys want to join me on this journey, if you want to know more, please let me know. I'm glad to share any information that I have with you if you're okay just to change your life step by step. It's all about taking that first step, right? So evaluate your life, see where you're at, see what your goal is, and if you're ready to make a big change, a lifestyle change, let me know. I'm in your corner. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Really sad that the box is empty, but really excited to try all of these. I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you to everyone who's been supporting me on my journey. Bye.